Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change or customize your DM previews on Discord. So in here, after you open Discord, you can just click on the U options at the left, and here is the settings. And next, what you need to do is just scroll down until you find the app settings section and tap on this appearance options. And in here you can see this is the DM message previews option on Discord. So there are three options that you can choose, whether you want to preview all messages or unread DMs only or none of them. So for example in here, sorry, I'm going to just use the unread DMs only. So just tap on the options that you want to, then you can just go back and the changes will be saved automatically. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.